Okay, y equals x squared minus 2x minus 5 is not factorable with real numbers. Or, well, sorry, that's not true. It's not factorable with integers. There are no numbers that will multiply to negative 5 and add to give you negative 2. So you're not going to be able to solve this by factoring yet again. So use the quadratic formula. X equals negative b. Negative b gives you a positive 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared is 2 squared, 4, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 5. So change that sign. There we go. All of that over 2a, so all of that over 2. So we'll get 1 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 20, so 24. So plus or minus the square root of 24, that thing divided by 2. And we can simplify that. So 1 plus or minus square root of 24 is the same thing as 2 times the square root of 6. And that's all still over 2. It's the same as 2 root 6 because 6 times 4 is 24. So, like, what I'm doing is I'm taking the 24 and I'm writing it as the square root of 6 times 4, because 6 times 4 is 24, and I can split that up into the square root of 4 times the square root of 6, and the square root of 4 is 2, so I get 2 root 6 in that way. Then my 2's will cancel, so I'm left with 1 plus or minus the square root of 6 as the solutions to this. Should you be able to get that by factoring? No. So you solve these problems however you can. And again, this is different probably than what the answer you see on the answer key.